Afternoon, folks. Got a product here the brand sent me. It is a digital 360-degree torque angle torque wrench. So let's see what we got here. Got a real nice case. All right, there's what we got. Everything you'd ever want. Packaged right there together. Comes with batteries. That's always nice. We like it when they send the batteries. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sockets and an extension, a couple of adapters. Now the interesting thing, let's see. Alright, batteries going down here on the bottom. Knock that off. Got back in there. He goes that way. Well, let's see here. The battery's in there good. I don't know. Alright, he's closed right. Alright, lightening up. And hey, there we go. Click right into the torque values there for us. Alright, a little concerned there that I wasn't getting the battery. I guess I wasn't getting the lid on there correctly. But there we go. That's what we need from that torque wrench right there. And I don't know what the port is for. It didn't look like a rechargeable battery, but maybe that's so you can put rechargeable batteries in there. Alright, so standard 3/8 drive, forward, reverse, and center spot. Okay, like I said, we've got an extension. We've got a 21mm socket. We've got a 17mm socket, a 16mm socket, and a 14mm socket. So 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter there, and 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter here. So you can do pretty much whatever you want to do with that thing. We need to set the calibration on that thing. I guess let's lay that flat. It's at 60 now. Let's clear it. That turned it off. Turn it back on. It's going through its procedures. 6.0. Newton meters. Bring it down to 3 Newton meters. And it's got a different reading there. I just barely can see it. The KGFCM. And it's set for 30.60. You can bring that down 59. And then you get another value there. So we're going to have to figure out how to get your various settings on there, but they are working, and we can clear it. We can turn it off. Coming back on. Okay, it's doing nothing. Alright? It's because it has to be laying flat. Now when you leave it laying flat, you're able to get your settings up and get your readings and adjust the setting to what you would have it to be. Got a memory setting. Got inch pounds right now, so it sets to inch pounds. It's got foot pounds, so it's set to 44 foot pounds there. And then we're at Newton meters again, which is 60, and looks like we can bring that down. You bring it down slowly, you bring it down rapidly. So there you go. I like that. Alright, I just need to find something that I need to torque, and we can validate that. But what I want you to know is that you get a good solid piece of equipment here. It's digital. Man, I don't have a set of instructions here in the box, but I do have 4 sockets extensions, and we're ready to roll. That's what you get when you get this here. It is the digital, an accuracy of plus or minus 2%. It says it's last and it's never compromises. And the back's about the same thing as what I just told you. So there you go. There's your 360 degree digital torque angle wrench set by MOVECRAB. If you need a good torque wrench, hey, good solid case here. Everything you want right here to ready to go out there to your vehicle to torque and set what you need to work on. So y'all give that thing a look. I think it's going to work out well for me. It works out well for me. I believe it worked out well for y'all. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.